Yo guys, one of the main features in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy is that each tutorial comes along with a guitar profile, and you probably want to know how you work the most efficient way together with these files to get the maximum benefit out of each tutorial which is provided to you by the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So I want to show it to you. Let's get started here. We quickly first go to the website where you can see where you find all information you needed. It's displayed everywhere. Just click here on the link. It leads you to this page here. Gives you a few information and also the link where you can get your copy of the software. It's a reduced price for my students, but if you don't trust me, you can just go to the website. For mich ist das egal. It's just a service for all my students, and I really strongly recommend that you get that software. Okay, now once you have the software, you probably want to know where these files are. You find them like here in the download section. This is just the current tutorial, basic bossa nova. Here, download this file, agree and download. Here you find 3 files. Now you have PDF, so if you don't have the software, you can work with the PDF, no problem. There you find the tabs, but of course with no extended features. Here you find a backing track which you can download, plus here .gp. This is the guitar profile. You can download that one. And I open it up for you now. So that's how it's displayed. But the great thing is now you want to hear how the whole thing sounds. Now you can play along together with the guitar profile. And here you have a metronome. You can switch this on and off here with this metronome symbol. Now it's off. I recommend you have it on, that you really work on your timing and on your ability to read rhythm. Another cool thing is if you want to just practice one part, let's take the first bar. You can select it, you press here on this symbol and this loop symbol, and now this part gets looped. If it's too fast for you, this is the original tempo from the tutorial. If it's too fast for you, you can slow it down here to any, I don't know, let's take to 60%. It's also very useful to learn. Let's go back to 100%. And now comes the really amazing and cool feature. Now you want to sync up this guitar profile with the backing track provided. Now you click here on this audio element, looks like a waveform, click on it, opens up a new window, click in it. Where do I have it? Here. Import the audio file, and now you have a little mixer down here. I already know it. The audio file is not loud enough in this case, and now it's synced with the audio file. And now probably you can switch off the metronome. I just switched it off. You can jump in any spot you like, you know, and it follows. It's very, very cool, I must say. Yo. Good. That's the amazing feature with comes with all tutorials, available only for premium members. But with your premium membership, you also support this work, which is done for the whole guitar community, and it's really a bargain, I must say. Yeah, and you can use my link to get the software. It's a bit cheaper, I think. If no, you can also just go to the website. I already said, for mich ist das egal. It's a really service which I offer to all my students, and I strongly recommend it to all my students because that is really useful and helpful.